Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. Today in a Learn a Yoga Pose series, we are going to learn Urdhva Hastasana, which is also known as upward salute. Let's roll out the mat and get started. For this pose, we are going to stand in Tadasana. So in Tadasana, we are going to stand with feet either hip width apart or big toes to touch. I personally like to suggest everyone to start from feet hip width apart. If you want to know more about how to practice Tadasana, you can see the link up here and you can learn it. So from Tadasana, we're going to again stand hip width apart with the feet, stand tall, arms to the sides, extending to the sides. We're going to lift slightly through the chest. The kneecaps are going to slightly lift up, draw the belly in. Then from here, you're going to take an inhale and reach your arms all the way up. So take an inhale, sweep your arms all the way up. For now, I want you to just bring your palms facing each other, so don't bring your hands together. So your arms are going to come in extension to the sides next to your ears. Good. Nice big breath in again. And with an exhale, again, bring your arms to the sides. Now, this pose is beneficial not only physically it brings in a great strength in the body, you're standing tall, and it brings a great sense of strength in the arms and the shoulders. It brings a nice extension in the sides of your body. So all of that, and including these all advantages, this is a great foundation pose for Vriksha Asana. It's a great foundation pose for Utkat Asana, which is chair pose. So tree pose and chair pose. So as this is a foundation, it's very important that we understand this pose first in the best possible way in order to do those poses in a better way. So again, let's do this. Again, we're going to practice this one more time. So feet hip width apart, standing tall. Relax your shoulders, drop them down. Draw the core in. Let your tailbone slightly go down in the direction of your feet. Good. And then you really want to plant your feet here when you're standing. So you're not just standing. You're bringing in strength in the body. So lift your toes up and then spread your toes and make like a nice web with your feet, with your toes. And then drop the toes down as you anchor them. And then from here, we're going to stand tall again, shoulders relaxed. Good. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Again, palms are facing each other. Your arms have come to the sides of your ears. From here, your shoulder blades are going away from your spine and they are lifting up. Your core is tight. Taking 3 breaths here. Inhale. 1, exhale. Inhale. 2, exhale. 1 more inhale. 3, exhale. Inhale again. With an exhale, bring your arms to the sides. Well done, friends. Let's try this pose now in a traditional way with arms going up, extending up, and bringing your hands together. Again, if you feel that is too much and you are feeling tightness in your shoulders and you're feeling this is too much of extension in the body, you can just keep your arms parallel so your palms are facing each other. But for now, we're going to practice this. So standing tall again, chest lifted. Inhale, arms up. This time, palms together. Good. Big inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more inhale. Exhale, arms to the sides. Beautiful. And in a more traditional way, we're going to bring the feet together. Big toes are together, big toes to touch. Good. Lift your toes up, spread them, anchor them down. Stand tall, lift your kneecaps up. Beautiful. Slight lift in the chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed, arms to the sides. Beautiful job, friends. Inhale, sweeping your arms up. Hands together. Exhale. Inhale. exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, arms to the sides. Great job, everyone. Again, please know that you can do the variation of it by standing with feet hip-width apart, arms extending up. You're still standing tall and your palms are facing each other. Arms are parallel to each other. This modification is absolutely the right way to go and practice this pose. All right, friends, this was it for Urdhva Hastasana. I'm going to see you again in the next video. Be well. Namaskar.